Hi there and welcome to Penrith. If you're not familiar with Penrith, it's a wonderful market town with lots of local amenities such as little independent shops, cafes. It also has supermarkets. It's great for families. It's got great schools. Additionally, it's a town that has great train links to Carlisle, also to London, to Manchester, to Glasgow, and also it's a stone throw away from the Lake District. This is the property that we've come to see today. It's a semi-detached 3-bedroom property. Let's go and have a little look at the street view. So this is the street view. So this direction is going to take you to the town centre. There's also a bus station nearby. So if you don't drive, it's really in a great location for the town centre, of course, and the bus station that will take you to the Lake District and other parts of Cumbria. And then this direction is the best part. It's actually a dead-end street, which makes this street incredibly quiet. And this is obviously the property that we've come to see today. We've got a beautiful front lawn here. Let's take you into the property. Let's take you through. So we've got a beautiful sort of entrance room here. These are the stairs that lead you to the first floor. We've got lovely wooden floor just here. And then as we enter the lounge area, you'll notice it's a really good sized room. It feels dead cozy. It feels like a real family home, which I love about this property. It also has views of the Lake District and Blencathra just out of that window there, but actually the views get better upstairs, so I'll leave that one for now. You've got this dining room and kitchen. The kitchen is brand new, as you can see, and it's done to a very high standard. It's a great size room. We've got the patio doors that lead onto the garden, but again, we'll take you there in just a moment. So we've got this worktop. It's absolutely stunning. Everything's been done to a really high standard, plenty of storage, sort of another worktop just tucked away there. So if you're keen on cooking, it's a great room. And then as we go through to this room here, it's a nice addition because you've got a little utility room that fits your fridge, freezer, and also your washing machine and dryer. So it's a great little addition. So you're not sort of, the kitchen's not cluttered in the slightest. So as you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful room, and the floor in here is absolutely great, especially if you have families. And then that window there just overlooks the garden, but I'll take you there in just a moment. Okay. I must just add, the property also has a new boiler that was recently put in. And then we'll come upstairs here. So the property has got 3 beds and 1 family bathroom. So we'll take you into the bathroom first. We've got a window there which lets a lot of light into the landing, and then equally this is the family bathroom. This is great because it's got two windows there, which is absolutely perfect. It just floods the room with so much natural light. And then we've got the bathroom and the shower just there. And then these walls, you can actually wash these walls, so they're easy to maintain. And then if we come through here, we'll take you to the first bedroom. So as you can see, it's pink. This room is currently occupied by a little girl. Now it's a good sized room. At the moment we've got a single bed in here, but actually you could easily fit a double bed in this room. And then we've got, overlooks the garden just there. And then of course we've got a wardrobe there. So it's a very good size room. And then we'll come through. I love how cozy this house feels. It feels very warm, and it's got stunning views, which we're about to see now. And for a property that's so close to town, it's so quiet here. This is the sort of master bedroom. That window is absolutely huge, and you can even see the fells now from this distance. But let me just show you the bedroom. So it's a really good size room, and this is the best part. waking up to that every day. So you've got Lake District in the distance there, and Blencathra around about there. So absolutely stunning. So you're literally just a stone throw away from the Lake District for a fraction of the price. So we've got some storage just in that room, just ahead there. And obviously enough space to fit a large wardrobe. And then last but certainly not least, we've got the smaller bedroom. They've actually utilised the space in this room. It's quite smart. So you've got this bed here with the storage just underneath. So it really does make space of the room. You can fit a wardrobe and a desk there. And of course, has those stunning views again of the fells in the distance. Okay, and then we come back on to the landing. So let's take you into the garden. Okay, so you will remember this gorgeous room here. I'll just show you one more time before we go outside. I absolutely love this room. And then this is the garden. So actually this was just one sloping hill. The current owners have actually spent a lot of work to dig out this, which would have taken a lot of time to do that, to create this perfect little part to the garden, which is great for sort of relaxing in and for children to play in, rather than having a sort of massive sloping hill. But then you've also got that greenery just up there where you can do a spot of gardening should you choose. So right ahead of us, we've got the shed, quite a large shed. And then this part here is unexpected. So it's quite a large area. So at the moment, you sort of got a seating area, but you could also extend out here quite easily to make the property larger. And then I'll take you to the top of the garden, so just so we can get one more look at those views of the Lake District, more specifically Ullswater, before we leave. So you could do a lot with this garden here. I love the fact that they've kept this part, because if you do want to grow flowers or even vegetables, you probably could there. And if I take you to the corner here, it's quite a large area. So if I take you back, the sun is absolutely blinding today. Look at those skies, absolutely stunning. So this is the property, and this is all the garden that you've got here. So you've got a lot to work with. And then just one more look before we go at those stunning views there. So I think Blencathra will be sitting just there somewhere, which you'll be able to see from the master bedroom. So it's a beautiful property. As you can see, it is semi-detached there. I must just add, the bathroom is new, and you've also got a new roof. So the current owners have done quite a lot to this property. So, you know, you could quite easily just move into this and then just put your own little stamp on it. Okay, that's it. Beautiful. Right, so if you'd like to see this beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached property in Penrith, please do not hesitate to contact our Penrith office. Many thanks.